Time passes swiftly like flowing water. It brings great changes to the world but never turns back. You will increasingly realize that to love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. Love your eyes, your skin, your body, and your health. Say goodbye to 2022. Let go of all the past and regrets. Welcome 2023, and move forward bravely. Next, please check the guidance on loving yourself in 2023. The skin surrounding the eyes is only 1/3 to 1/5 of the skin of the facial face and is extremely delicate, so most photoelectric beauty treatments are not applicable. Cold CRF with 18 mm is specifically designed for eye rejuvenation. Crow's feet, dark circles, bags under the eyes, and eye fatigue can be all removed. The cooling and heat dual system gives you bright and moisturized eyes. Fair, smooth, and firm skin is the key to maintaining youth, then it is inseparable from DPL, 8-DHIFU, and PDT. They have strengths and work together to fight against roughness, spots, sagging, and dullness, so that the skin remains youthful for a lifetime. A bloated figure will betray your age. Love yourself, and love your body even more. Excessive fat accumulation will bring burdens to various organs, and when overwhelmed, health problems will come as follow. That's when you need Legenda, Versus Plus Plus, and M contouring. One reduces visceral fat from the inside out, one relaxes tendons and activates collaterals, and one sculpts muscle and burns fat. You are the most precious in the whole world, and you deserve all the best. Wave goodbye to all the unsatisfactory things in 2022. Let's take better care of ourselves together in 2023. Happy New Year a day.